to get even stronger as we head into the next couple of days. So chances for drizzle or even some light rain will increase tomorrow, and then especially on Thursday too. So yeah, things are changing a little bit. Some spots, Anaheim still in the mid 60s, where it's about 67 degrees. Santa Clarita also still in the 60s, so it's still feeling on the cooler side, even over into Beaumont right now, where it's still about 63 degrees. But most areas are beginning to feel mild. A lot of the valleys, the Inland Empire, right around 70 degrees over into Chino Hills. This afternoon will be warm. The next few will continue to cool down. It's going to be pretty mild, and we'll be talking about those chances of drizzle in just a little bit. Irene, I'll send it back to you.
All right, definitely feeling more like fall. Brianna, thank you. A major crisis.
Incredible to see those images out of there, that's for sure. Good morning. It is pretty mild outside. We've got a lot of low 70s. It's still cool for some spots for us here. We're right around 66 in Santa as well, bringing us a chance of drizzle and potentially even some light rain out of it too. And this is why, as we look into later this afternoon, what's going on with the not only on Wednesday, but another low is going to drop down on Thursday, and that one's going to be a little bit stronger, and that's going to make that marine layer a bit deeper, and it's going to increase our chances of some drizzle or even a little bit of light rain out of it even more. So this is what we're seeing on the models. We're going to get down to a high of 72 degrees on your Thursday. Friday, a couple degrees warmer, still very mild, and then it is going to start to feel warm as we get into the 80s. We stay there Saturday, a couple degrees warmer each day heading into your Sunday and Monday until we are back into some mid to upper 80s. Temperatures, which we got to freezing in Big Bear this morning. As we head into later this week, close in, we are going to have some winds pick up to some westerly winds. So some of the mountains, desert seeing gusts up to about 30 miles per hour as we head into tomorrow and Thursday as well. Irene, I'll send it back to you.
Okay, Brianna, thank you.
Good morning. We've got some sunshine out there for some places. We do still have some clouds left over out there as well, but it's about 71 degrees over into Long Beach. And we do have some sunshine here the next few days, and that cloud coverage will last a little longer tomorrow and then especially on Thursday too. And the chances to see some drizzle and some light rain as a result of it are going to increase into Thursday. Off here the next few days because we've got this troughing pattern over the west coast and two different low pressure systems that are going to be dropping in. Tomorrow we have one. We're going to have an increased marine layer tomorrow again with a chance of some drizzle, and then that's going to low 70s, Ventura, Oxnard, and then up to about 80 degrees over into Ojai. Los Angeles and Orange County, temperatures continuing to drop here in the coming days. Tomorrow until we get into some mid 70s on Thursday. As this low pressure moves in, not only are we dealing with the cloud coverage, cooler temperatures and drizzle, but we're also going to have some breezy to windy conditions pick up in some of those wind-prone spots as well. Irene, I'll send it back to you.
Okay, Brianna, thank you.
And we have all lanes shut down at the northbound 5 connector, so you will not be able to get onto the 5 from the 710, and so you can see that closure there. You'll be able to take some sides. You have a lane that is blocked off there. We will have another check in just a little bit. John, Leslie, Rachel, I'll send it back to you for now.
All right, Brianna, thank you.
Accident in this area, and you can see the backups somewhat extensive for this time of morning. It's at Pierce Street. We have the number 3 lane that's blocked off. It was just one car that was involved in this accident, but it went off of an embankment, and so it looks like they are doing some still. We'll have another check in just a little bit. John, Leslie, Rachel, I'll send it back to you for now.
Okay, Brianna, thank you very much.
Some delays. We're just not seeing a whole lot of delays on the 710 north. We've been seeing some more on the 5 northbound this morning. So you can see here, we're actually just seeing its delay after you pass the 710. So traffic not looking too tough in this area quite yet, but just know that it is moving a bit slowly in some of these spots. All right, Scott Reif up in Air 7 HD.